Imagine waking up in a city that knows you better than you know yourself. A city that anticipates your needs, improves your life, and reduces your carbon footprint. Is this a utopian dream or the future of urban spaces? As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, this question is more pertinent than ever. How is technology transforming our urban landscapes into intelligent, sustainable ecosystems? Let's dive into this intriguing world of smart cities and unravel the future together. In South Korea, a city called Songdo offers a glimpse into the future. Picture this, a city built entirely from scratch with technology woven into its very fabric. Songdo is such a city, a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of technology, and a blueprint for future urban development. Firstly, let's talk about Songdo's smart infrastructure. The city is equipped with a myriad of sensors monitoring everything from temperature and energy use to traffic flow. This constant flow of data allows for real-time adjustments, optimizing city operations and reducing energy waste. For example, traffic lights adjust to the rhythm of the city, easing congestion and improving commute times. An energy-efficient city is not just a dream in Songdo, it's a reality. Next, we have something that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, a pneumatic waste disposal system. In Songdo, there are no garbage trucks rumbling down the streets. Instead, waste is sucked directly from individual homes through a network of underground pneumatic tubes. It's whisked away to waste processing centers, where it's sorted, recycled, or converted into energy. This system not only reduces the city's carbon footprint, but it also makes waste management a breeze. But Songdo isn't just about the high-tech stuff. It's also a city that respects the environment and values green spaces. With over 40% of its area dedicated to parks and green spaces, Songdo is a breath of fresh air in the often smoggy landscape of urban development. The city's layout encourages walking and cycling, reducing the reliance on cars and contributing to a healthier, happier population. All these elements come together to create a city that is efficient, sustainable, and offers an improved quality of life for its residents. From its smart infrastructure and innovative waste management system to its commitment to green spaces, Songdo is a shining example of what we can achieve when we harness technology for urban development. Songdo represents the promise of what a smart city can achieve: efficiency, sustainability, and improved quality of life. But what about older cities? Enter Barcelona, a city that's retrofitted itself into a smart city. When it comes to melding the old with the new, Barcelona, Spain stands out as a beacon of innovation. This centuries-old city has embraced the Internet of Things, integrating it seamlessly into its infrastructure to enhance urban life. Barcelona didn't just dabble in smart technology, it made it a part of the city's fabric. The city streets, once lit by traditional street lights, now glow under the gentle illumination of smart street lights. These aren't your ordinary lampposts. They're energy efficient, dimming and brightening based on the time of day and pedestrian activity. Not only do they save energy, but they also reduce light pollution, making Barcelona's starry nights even more beautiful. And the innovation doesn't stop there. Sensors embedded in parking spaces throughout the city monitor availability in real time. This means less time spent circling the block, more time enjoying this vibrant city, and fewer emissions from idling vehicles. Barcelona's use of technology extends beyond convenience and into essential services. The city's waste management system, for instance, has been revolutionized with smart bins that signal when they're full. This leads to more efficient collection routes, saving both time and fuel. Similarly, the water supply system has been optimized using IoT. Sensors monitor water levels, pressure, and quality in real time, ensuring citizens always have access to clean, safe water. This not only improves service delivery, but also helps in conserving this vital resource. The story of Barcelona is one of transformation and innovation. It's a story that proves that even the oldest cities can adapt and evolve, leveraging technology not just for the sake of novelty, but to genuinely improve the lives of their inhabitants. Barcelona shows us that existing cities can also harness the power of technology to become smarter and more sustainable. The city's journey towards becoming a smart city isn't just about embracing the future, it's about creating a better present. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology to reshape our world. Barcelona shows us that existing cities can also harness the power of technology to become smarter and more sustainable. At the heart of these smart cities lies the Internet of Things and big data. These two concepts, though they might feel abstract and distant, are the very foundation of the digital transformation sweeping across our urban landscapes. Imagine a city where every device, every sensor, every object is interconnected, communicating seamlessly in real time. This is the Internet of Things, often abbreviated as IoT. It's a network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. From traffic lights that adjust to real-time road conditions, to waste bins that alert city services when they're full, to street lamps that dim when there's no one around, IoT is transforming the way our cities function. But all these devices and sensors are not just for show. They are continuously collecting data about various aspects of city life. This is where big data comes into play. This term refers to extremely large data sets that may be analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends, and associations, especially relating to human behavior and interactions. For example, data collected from public transportation systems can help predict traffic patterns and optimize routes. Data from environmental sensors can improve air quality, reduce energy consumption, and even help us understand the impacts of climate change at a micro level. These technologies, the Internet of Things and big data, are not merely about making our cities smarter. They have the potential to make our cities more sustainable, more livable, and more responsive to the needs of their inhabitants. With the right application, they can help us address some of the most pressing challenges of urban living, from traffic congestion to energy efficiency to public safety. The potential of this technology to further transform urban spaces is immense. As we continue to innovate and experiment, we are only scratching the surface of what's possible. Imagine a city that anticipates your needs, that adapts to its inhabitants, that learns and evolves. This is the promise of smart cities. With IoT and big data, the cities of the future will be more responsive and efficient than ever before. However, the journey to smart cities is not without its challenges. As we dive deeper into this digital transformation, it becomes clear that the road to smart cities is paved with potential issues that need to be addressed. Firstly, let's consider privacy concerns. With the proliferation of sensors and devices collecting data at every corner of the city, there is an understandable worry about the misuse of this information. Who has access to it? How is it being used? These are questions that need clear and transparent answers to ensure the privacy of citizens is respected. Then there's the issue of data security. The more interconnected our cities become, the more vulnerable they are to cyber attacks. Imagine a scenario where a city's entire power grid or traffic system is compromised. The consequences could be disastrous. Therefore, adequate measures need to be put in place to secure our data and protect our cities. And let's not forget about the digital divide. As cities become smarter, they increasingly rely on technology. But what happens to those who can't afford this technology, or those who simply don't have the skills to use it? The risk here is that the benefits of smart cities could bypass these individuals, widening the gap between the digital haves and have-nots. So how do we address these challenges? The answer lies in a collaborative approach. Governments, technology companies, and citizens need to work together to create solutions. This could involve implementing strong data protection laws, investing in cybersecurity, and ensuring that digital literacy is promoted. In the end, the goal is to ensure that smart cities benefit everyone, not just a privileged few. This means making sure that they are not only technologically advanced, but also safe, inclusive, and equitable. This way, we can truly harness the power of technology to transform our urban spaces. As we build the cities of the future, we must ensure they are not just smart, but also safe, inclusive, and equitable. The future of urban spaces is here, and it is smart, sustainable, and exciting. We've seen how cities like Songdo in South Korea have been built from the ground up, with technology and sustainability at their core. From smart infrastructure to IoT, these cities are setting the standard for what urban spaces can become. We've also seen how older cities like Barcelona in Spain are retrofitted to become smart cities, integrating technology into their existing infrastructure. This process shows us the adaptability of urban spaces and how they can evolve to meet the demands of a tech-driven world. The role of IoT and big data in urban spaces cannot be overstated. These technologies are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with our environments. They're helping us to create more efficient, safer, and more sustainable cities. But with these advancements come challenges and risks. Privacy concerns, data security, and the digital divide are all issues that need to be addressed as we move forward. It's crucial that we tackle these challenges head-on to ensure that the benefits of smart cities are accessible to all. The future of urban spaces is not only smart and sustainable, but also inclusive and equitable. It's an exciting time to be alive, and the future holds untold possibilities. If you want more future content like this, please like and subscribe to Future Tech to get more engaging videos about the future of technology.